I'm Selena, a teacher with 20 years of experience and a study prep expert with Study.com. This problem set is designed to help you prepare for the FTCE Health K-12 019 exam, focusing on the subtopic, Knowledge of Sexual Health. You will review key concepts such as types of contraception, common sexually transmitted infections, and healthy relationship practices. Let's get started. Condoms and diaphragms are examples of which of the following types of contraception? A. Barrier methods. B. Hormonal methods. C. Birth control pills. Or D. Contraceptive injections. B. Hormonal methods is incorrect. These change hormone levels to prevent pregnancy. C. Birth control pills is incorrect. This is a specific type of hormonal method. D. Contraceptive injections, also hormonal. These prevent ovulation, but don't block sperm directly. The correct answer is A, barrier methods. Barrier methods are a type of contraception that intends to prevent sperm from entering the female body. Blank is the most common sexually transmitted infection in the U.S. A, syphilis, B, gonorrhea, C, HIV, or D, chlamydia. A, syphilis is incorrect. Less common and more serious if untreated. B, gonorrhea is incorrect. Still widespread, but chlamydia has higher reported rates each year. C, HIV, incorrect. A serious viral infection, but it's far less common than bacterial STIs. The correct answer is D, chlamydia. Chlamydia is caused by a bacterium called Chlamydia trachomatis. It causes about 4 million new cases every year in the US alone. Identify the term that describes the cultural beliefs about emotions in romantic relationships. A, self-disclosure, B, intimacy, C, fidelity, or D, display rules. A, self-disclosure is incorrect. This is about sharing personal information, not cultural beliefs. B, intimacy is incorrect. This refers to closeness and connection in relationships. C, fidelity is incorrect. This means faithfulness in a relationship. The correct answer is D. Display rules are the cultural beliefs about the emotions involved in romantic relationships. How we evaluate our romantic relationships depends on these display rules. Display rules include norms such as the timing and the method of expressing emotions. A 6th grade teacher wants to promote healthy relationships among his students. Which of the following activities would be most appropriate? A, a debate about dating and intimate relationships. B, a role play about managing conflicts in a marriage. C, a group project where students work together and practice cooperation. Or D, a discussion about the implications of divorce. A debate about dating and intimate relationships is incorrect. This topic is too mature for 6th graders. B, a role play about managing conflicts in a marriage is incorrect. This is not age appropriate, and marriage issues are beyond what 6th graders typically relate to. D, a discussion about the implications of divorce is incorrect. While relevant to some students, it can be emotionally sensitive and isn't focused on building skills. The correct answer is C, a group project where students work together and practice cooperation. This activity is age appropriate for 6th graders and provides them with an opportunity to develop and practice skills such as cooperation, communication, and conflict resolution that are important to healthy relationships. Thanks for joining me today as we reviewed test prep questions for the FTCE Health K-12 019 exam. For more practice, check out our FTCE Health K-12 019 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to Study.com and check out our FTCE Health K-12 test prep course. Those who use Study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.